In this video, we will talk about what joint ventures were like 10 years ago and how it compares today. 10 years ago seems like a lifetime in internet years. Back then, people were very protective with their own lists. As a result, the JV circle seemed to be very exclusive closed-door arena, where only the elite few worked with one another. Back then, in order to get into these circles, you have to jump through many hoops and do a lot of favors before you gain the favor of JV partners. Another reason why this is so is because there are a lack of internet marketers around, so like ancient China, JVs pretty much only needed to rely on each other, and that was enough to feed internet marketers for months. Today, there are more internet marketers and even more products on the market. Because more and more marketers are coming into the scene, old school JV partners are forced to come out of their shell and embrace a more open market, just like China today. Old school JV partners are now needing the help of many more internet marketers in order to achieve massive results in launches. JV partners everywhere are also looking for good and profitable products to promote their lists. The JV climate has changed, and now virtually anyone with good product and good EPC, earnings per click, can get as many JV partners as they need. In the next video, you will learn why JV partners say no to your offer.